how to duplicate a form in Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can easily duplicate your forms and make a copy. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google form, head over to the forms that you want to duplicate. Then go to the three dots on the top right, tap on it, and then there you'll see make a copy option. Just tap on it, and then you can put in the name of the new form. So I'll put in sports form 2. You can choose the folder, and you can even choose to share it with the same people or not and hit make a copy. Now, there you go. It's as simple as that. The form has been duplicated in just few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.